I'm Brittany with WTI, and even though the Android world has moved into USB-C, you can't forget about the micro minis.
And these Eusbote wall chargers are here to support my micro mini charging needs. I love the cube block look of the charging blocks. The cable cord is braided, which is going to give you long-lasting support so that you can keep on using it and not worrying about it fraying or losing connection. Again, like I said, this is for a micro mini. Even though I have a lot of devices that use the USB-C, my tablet still requires a micro mini connection. Because my husband and I use our tablets a lot, having a long cord allows us to be able to charge while we're using it, and also to not have to worry about how far away an outlet might be from a flat surface to place our charger on while it charges. This cord is a fast charger, which again, because we use this, it's really important to be able to get it to that 100% fast. I was really glad that this came in a 2-pack so that we could be able to charge both of our devices even at the same time.
And that's my point of view.